All right, so this one actually looks like it's kind of like a preposition thing, really, but actually this is testing kind of like independent clauses. And that's because we need some, so like 3 of these answer choices would actually just, let's start here. So I have comma, like, who explain the different ways their culture is defined. This is dependent. So we need something that's going to make this, because this is comma DC, I need an independent clause here. I would need to put an independent clause in the beginning because I need one full independent clause when I have like, just commas in the sentence, right? One independent clause, not more than one, not less than one, right? So if I said this idea was demonstrated often when my relatives, that is not an independent clause, right? So if this was like, if this said, like, this idea was demonstrated often when my relatives, comma, who explain the different ways their cultures is defined, comma, would do something, right? You'd have to have something on the end, because this right here, the idea was demonstrated often when my relatives, you would say when my relatives what, right? But if I say this idea was demonstrated often by my relatives, that is an independent clause. This idea was demonstrated often while my relatives. That's not going to be good. This idea was demonstrated often as if my relatives, right? Answer choice D out. So it was demonstrated by my relatives. This is the only one that makes it an independent clause, so it's answer choice B.